Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to do a yarn review on Lionbrand's new yarn, Mandala Ombre. So today is April the 11th. So as of today, you can only get this Mandala Ombre at Walmart. Every time that Lionbrand comes out with a new mandala, whether it be a new type like the ombre or the sparkle or a new color, Walmart has exclusive rights to that for a certain amount of time. So as of today, the only place that you can get it is Walmart. Now, I don't think it's on walmart.com yet, but it doesn't mean that. I'm sure that it probably will be soon, but right now, as of today, it's not. But I was lucky enough to find these at my local Walmart. Eventually, you know, after time goes by, it will be available in other stores. But as for now, though, it's just only Walmart. So we're going to go ahead and have a look at it. Now, I actually did a shopping video, if you like to watch shopping videos, of me buying this mandala yarn. Maybe you guys seen it. If you haven't, I'll put a link to that on the screen right now. And also below in the comment section, so you can check it out. Maybe have a little fun with me and my husband when we do some yarn shopping. But we'll go over this real quick and take a look at them. Now, I believe it's only available in these 5 colors at the moment. Now, first off, when you feel it, it's really soft. It's nice. It's kind of got like a, how would I say it? Maybe kind of a plushy feel to it. Microfiber feel kind of to it. It's not any, I mean, I would definitely make something for baby out of it, and I would wear it around my neck. As far as softness goes, there's nothing scratchy or anything about it. You can look close and see a little bit of a fuzz to it. See that? And also you can see that it has the stone wash effect, like kind of like a blue jean yarn would look. Okay, so Lionbrand Mandala Ombre. It is 344 yards, 5.3 ounces. It is a medium weight number 4. Now, most mandalas are a lightweight number 3, besides the super bulky 6 mandala, which I really didn't care for. I'm really happy that they came out with a medium weight 4. It is 100% acrylic, machine washable, and dryable. Let's look at it here. Made in India. Now, the recommended hook size is an I crochet hook, is a 5.5. A knitting needles, it looks like a 4.5 millimeter. Now, this one is called a Harmony. Now, you can see this ombre effect take place in it. Kind of, it goes from dark to medium to light colored. It's really pretty. This kind of just looks like an old pair of jeans, actually. And then we got this one over here. This is very pretty too. This one is called Balance. So it goes from green to kind of a turquoise, goes out to a light blue, to a purple, to a pink, to a light green. Now, ombres don't have to be the same color. It just means that it fades from one color to the next very well and gradually. So I can tell by looking that it is going to fade nicely together, I believe. How it goes from the blue, and you can tell it starts to mix in the purple there. And then a purple will start to mix in with the pink. I think it's going to ombre out well. But that one's really pretty too. That's the Balance. And then we got the Cool. It's more of a grays and black. Not my really dark gray, I guess. Here, I guess you could consider it black. But as you can see, they all have that stone washed appearance to them. Hopefully my lights aren't, I got a lot of lights around me. Hopefully it's not affecting the color of it, but I don't think it is really. And then we got the Mantra. Hope I said that right. And that is more blues and fades away to greens. It's nice and pretty. Kind of reminds me of the ocean, I guess. I've never seen the ocean. I'm just going by what I've seen on TV, but I would dream that's what it looks like. Still, stonewash effect to it. And then this one is the Pure color. Now, I don't dislike this one, but it is probably my least favorite. But it's still pretty. I don't know what I would make with this, though. I'd have to think about that. But you can see how when you look at it up close, there's blue mixed into the pink there. So it's going to be out spots of blue in through the pink. That's how it's going to ombre out. But it's still pretty. So there's all the colors we got going on here. And I think, I'm not 100%, but I think 100% certain, but I think that is the only 5 that they have out at the moment. So I did do a little crocheting with it, not much. It does crochet very well. Like a dream. Crochet is nice. It doesn't split or anything. I did a few stitches on it so I could see if it, you can see the dimension in the stitches, and you can see the bobbles just fine. With that stonewash look. It might hide, having that stonewash look like that might hide stitch definition just a bit. Like these would pop out more if it was a solid color. But, and here's a cable there, which would probably pop out more if it was a solid, but it's still visible. The definition's still there. You can still see it. It's nice and soft. But I got an eye hook here. Oh, it's their recommended size. Seems to be working well with it. So, as you can see, it crochets very nice. It glides right through. Nothing at all wrong with the way it crochets. I think if you get this, I think you'll really enjoy the way it crochets. Didn't split on me one time. Actually, the way it's spun, I don't think it would even split. I don't think it would have, anybody would really have any trouble with it splitting. It's like that. Works out nicely. Crochet's good. So, we'll talk about the price a little bit. Now, when I went to Walmart to get this, it said $4.97, and that's what Mandala runs. $4.97, the regular Mandala is $4.97 cake. Well, people, after I did my shopping video, people started telling me that theirs was $5.97 at their Walmart, and I'm like, really? What the heck? So I went and looked at my receipt, and yes, it did ring up, $5.97. So it is more than regular Mandala yarn. $6 for a cake, and that is 344 yards. I think that's kind of pricey. It is a very nice quality yarn, though. It is a good quality yarn, but you really can't do anything about the price, because since it only being at Walmart, they don't take, you can't go in there with a 50, you can't go in there with 20% off Joann's coupon, and they don't do that. And they also don't really have a lot of sales. Once in a while you'll catch stuff on rollback, but you're kind of stuck paying $6 for it. I don't see it going down on price until maybe it's in other stores, and I don't even know how long that's going to be from now. So $6 if you want it is probably what you're going to have to pay for it. Like I said, I think that is kind of pricey for the yardage, but I paid it because I like the yarn. I like Mandala yarn, and I was super happy that it was a 4-weight. I like the stonewash look. I like the way it feels. It crochets very nice, like a dream. I'm not I'm not disappointed that I paid I'm a little disappointed. I thought I was paying $5 for it, and then when I looked on my receipt, it was $6. But no, I'm not disappointed that I paid $6 for it. Like I said, there's not really anything you can do about it. So yeah, I'll buy it again for $6 because that's just the price that it's going to be. I do hope they do come out with some new colors. I know they just might be testing the water right now. I do like all their colors that they have of it. It's just I'm not a huge fan of this one, but it still isn't bad. But other than that, it's a quality yarn. I think Lionbrand did a good job with this one. Now I do want to mention that I am not sponsored by Lionbrand. They do not pay me to do these reviews, and I bought this yarn myself at Walmart. You can see me buying it. So Lionbrand has nothing to do with this. These are my own honest opinions on the yarn, and they might be different than yours, and that's fine. Like I say it all the time, there's lots of yarn that I love that lots of people just can't stand. So everybody has different tastes, and that's fine. But I just want to give you my honest opinion on it, and I think it's a very nice quality yarn. It crochets extremely well. I think that the ombre effect is going to look really nice on most of these. I think it will on pretty much all of them. The only one I'm hesitant about is this one. Like I said, I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm just saying it's my least favorite. But I'll do something with it. I just don't know what yet. So, that's my review. I like it. I don't like it that it's $6, but I have no choice. I'll pay it. I'll go back and pay it again. Especially if they get more colors of it, because I do like the way it feels. It's super soft. It's really nice. Crochet is really good. And I'm going to make something very pretty with it eventually. This might be my first choice, actually, the one I use. Since it is spring right now at the time I'm making this video, this looks pretty springy to me. So, got my head spinning. Something springy in the mix. So, which one's your favorite color? Which one did you like the best? Do you like the mantra? The one I said looked like the ocean, which I don't really know because I've never seen. Or you like the balance? It's probably I don't know which one my favorite is. Balance. And I like this one a lot. The harmony. It's very pretty. And I do like this one too. The cool color. I think I'd keep that one more for a fall project. And then we got the pure. So which one's your favorite color? And also, now I know many of you have got this after my shopping trip. Have you tried it yet? Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Did you like working with it? I mean, I think it's nice. I think it's really nice, and I can't wait to make a project with it. So, yeah, I'll be a return customer on this. I do wish it was $5 like the other mandala, but it's not. Can't do nothing about that. So you live with it, I guess. So that's my review, everybody. So my opinion is Mandala Ombre. I like it. It's a very nice yarn. I'll definitely be a repeat customer. It being $6, you know, I paid $6 for a lot worse yarns than this. So, it's fine. I will buy it again for $6. It's nice. Let me know in the comments, remember, if you tried it and what you think about it. I'd like to hear your opinions and which one's your favorite color too. I think I'm going to go with this one probably for my favorite. The balance is what I'm going to use first. I actually have something in mind. Maybe I'll start working on it tonight. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye-bye.